Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Suzuki GSX-R1000 Superbike. This is an inline 4-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel injection, high-performance street bike. A lot of nice extras on it. Hot bodies, double bubble screen, adjustable levers for brake and clutch, the Suzuki GSX-R gel seat, a great sounding M4 shorty exhaust, fender eliminator kit. This bike is in really great condition. Only 13,499 miles for just $72.99. It also has frame sliders and it has been lowered. So if you have trouble with the seat height on a big Superbike, this would be the bike for you. It's been lowered 2 inches front and rear. We have financing available, extended service contracts. Come by, check it out. $72.99. Let me fire it up for you so you can see how fantastic it sounds with that beautiful M4 exhaust system. She is a beast. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.